I've never owned a European car, and I've only ever gone with Japanese cars. But for my first project car, I picked up a B6 A4 Avant with a 6-speed manual and a blown engine. While many might run away from this, I see it as an opportunity. Before I explain why this car is a great sleeper, it needs a good detail first. One thing I actually didn't show yet was that we were able to charge the battery, and when we turned the car on we saw it had pretty high miles. Addressing the title of this video, I wanted to quickly explain why this car is a great sleeper and underrated in my opinion. This car has a lot of potential due to having the iconic 1.8T engine, which obviously has great aftermarket support. And the car can also look pretty good. Now for the one I got, the 6-speed manual and Quattro all-wheel drive will make it even better. Most importantly, no one will know that it's fast. There's probably many other things I could say, but I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you guys think. Now as you saw earlier, we got a lot of parts with this car. We have a lot of extra stuff due to the previous owner also including a junkyard head and block. As you'll see, we also got pretty decent parts that will help this engine hold more power and be more reliable in general. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys think it's a pretty interesting project. I want to make a video soon explaining kind of the plans with the project as well as my current situation. But we've also started working on the engine already and I have footage for it. So hopefully I can get a second video out pretty soon.